Hi, and welcome to a new InfoCert video tutorial. Today we're going to see how to complete a purchase of a qualified electronic signature certificate from InfoCert International e-commerce. Remember, to buy a qualified electronic signature certificate, you need to have with you a valid email address that will be used both for your e-commerce and e-signature account, an invoicing address, and a credit card or PayPal account. So, let's start the process. To request qualified electronic signature, go to the web page and click the button Buy Now on the qualified electronic signature card. The system will redirect you on this product chart page in which you can have a look on the product details and the general terms and conditions. Click on Continue to proceed and create your account. If you already have an InfoCert account, you can also log in within the e-commerce. To create a new InfoCert account, please enter your email and choose a password, following the security rules, capital letters, numbers, special characters. In the next step, you must enter all the billing information required, including the address. Then choose the payment method, credit card or PayPal. In this example, I will use PayPal. Click on PayPal button. A window will appear and you have just to enter your PayPal credential to proceed. If the window doesn't appear, please check to have allowed in your browser the pop-up automatic opening. After the payment is collected successfully, you'll be redirected to the page from which you can finally start the onboarding process. For any further information, please visit our support center. Thanks for watching and have a nice day!